we will learn about diving into MS Word 2016.
Hi friends, in the previous class we have learned about MS Word 2016. Let us today learn about a few more editing features of MS Word windows.
There are numerous apps for text editing, and these are perfect for doing simpler tasks, for e.g., Notepad.
Notepad app is a text editing app with features like saving a file, changing font settings, searching text and more. With a text editing app like Notepad, we cannot do many more things like adding pictures, drawing shapes, etc. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processors developed by Microsoft. It helps us to create, read, edit and share files quickly and easily. We can also make changes in the content and appearance of the text in a Word document. Editing of the text includes the following: inserting text, deleting text, correcting spelling and grammatical mistakes, changing font settings,
inserting symbols, and adding bullets.
Let us now learn about some of the editing features of MS Word 2016. First, let us learn how to move text. To move the text means to change the location of the text. We can move the text from the place where we have typed it earlier to a place of desire. Follow the steps given below to move the text. Step 1. Select the text we want to move. The text will be highlighted. Step 2. Click on the Cut button on the clipboard group under Home tab. Step 3. The highlighted text will disappear. Step 4. Take the cursor to the position where we want to place the text. Step 5. Select the Paste option on the clipboard group. How to copy text. Sometimes we may wish to copy the text and paste it somewhere else in the document. Also, if we want to keep the original text at one place and want to keep a copy of it in another place, then we can copy the text. Follow the steps given below to copy the text. Step 1. Select the text we want to copy. The text will be highlighted. Step 2. Click on the button on the clipboard group under the Home tab. Step 3. Take the cursor at the position where we want to paste the text. Step 4. Select the Paste button on the clipboard group.
Deleting selected text. Steps to follow. Step 1. Open Word 2016. Step 2. Now, open the document or create a new one in which we want to perform this operation. Step 3. Select the text which we wish to delete. Step 4. Press the backspace key to delete the selected text. Step 5. This will lead to the deletion of the selected text. Or, Step 1. Select the text which you want to delete. Step 2. Press the delete key to delete the selected text. Step 3. The selected text will be deleted.
Bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering options are used to create an ordered or an unordered list. Bulleted list.
The bulleted list is an unordered list of items and is represented by graphical bullets. Following steps should be followed to create a bulleted list.
Step 1. Select the text you want to list. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets command. A drop-down menu with different bullet styles will appear. Step 3. Move the mouse over the various bullet styles. Select the bullet style of your choice. Step 4. The text will have a bulleted list. Numbered list. Numbered lists are the list which follow some order. For example, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, etc. The steps to create a numbered list are given below. Step 1. Select the text you want to format as a list. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the numbering button. A drop-down menu of numbering styles will appear. Step 3. Select the numbering style you want to use. Step 4. The text will have a numbered list. Inserting symbols. Symbols are special characters that can be inserted in the Word document.
These symbols can be used in the documents where some scientific and arithmetic formulas have to be used. Step 1. Place the cursor at a specific point where you want to insert the symbol in a file.
Step 2. Go to Insert, click on Insert a Symbol button in the Symbols group. Step 3. Pick a symbol or choose more symbols from the Symbol dialog box. Step 4. Scroll up or down to find the symbol we want to insert.
Step 5. Use the font selector above the symbol list to pick the font we want to choose.
Step 6. When you get the symbol of your choice, double-click it. The symbol will be inserted in the file. Step 7. Select Close button. Students note, a symbol can be made larger or smaller. To do so, select the symbol and change the font size setting. Now, we will talk about the find and replace. While writing an essay on my school, my mistake, I typed the name of my school incorrectly. Now I realize that I need to correct the spelling. We can do so by using the find and replace option.
This MS Word find and replace feature helps us in finding a word in the document and replace it with another word if required. Find and replace helps us to find a particular text in a document and replace all instances of it.
The steps to find text are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Find button in the Editing group under the Home tab. Step 2. A navigation panel will appear on the left-hand side of the document window. Step 3. Specify the word we want to search for in the Search document box. The specified word will be highlighted in the entire document. The steps to find and replace text as follows. Step 1. Click on the Replace button. Find and replace. A box will appear. Step 2. In the Replace with box, type the new word to replace the selected word. Step 3. Press Replace All button to replace all the occurrences of the word. Spelling and grammar. Sometimes while writing an essay or a letter, we misspell or mistype few words, or we forget to put correct punctuations like commas and full stops, etc. The language teacher is always there to help us in identifying and correcting these mistakes.
In case of MS Word, we have an inbuilt tool to identify these types of spelling and grammatical errors and suggest appropriate changes. Incorrect grammar and misspelt words are shown underlined with a green or red wavy line.
This feature helps us to make a document accurate and error-free. In Word Spelling and Grammar, check option may be found under the Review tab. To check spelling and grammar, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Review tab. From the Proofing group, select Spelling and Grammar. Step 3. On the right-hand side, the spelling pane will open showing suggestions to edit the incorrect word. Select Change and change all option according to your choice. Step 4. It will show a message in a dialog box after finishing the spelling and grammar check. Print Preview. Print Preview is a feature that displays on the screen what a hard copy would look like when printed. Follow the steps given below to preview a document. Step 1. Click on the File tab and select the Print option. Step 2. A preview of the document automatically appears on the right side of the Word window. Printing the document.
Once we have previewed the document, we can now print it by following the steps below.
Step 1. Click on the File tab and select the Print option. Step 2. Choose the default printer from the Printer Properties drop-down list. Step 3. Also mention the number of copies required for printing. Step 4. Then press the Print button. Let us quickly have a look on Chapter Review. Word 2016 is a word processing software designed by Microsoft Corporation. Making changes in the already typed text is called editing. We can use Cut, Copy and Paste option for moving and copying text. To perform editing, we need to select the text, line or paragraph to edit. Bullets and numbering options are used to create an ordered or an unordered list. Symbols are special characters that can be inserted in the Word document.